So, those of you who watched my Time to Get Out It's Spring picking wild garlic video, you may remember that we'd walked out of the woods and into what just looked like dead trees. And I did say that I'd have to come back and see what it looks like. And that's what it looks like. All lush and green, full of wildflowers. Loads of butterflies. I was in there yesterday taking photographs, wandering around, getting lost, near falling on my arse. But hey ho, that's beside the point. But it's totally different from what it was. But it would be because, we're in the height of summer now. And this is a little pond with a little walkway. And that sign there tells us all what you can see. I haven't seen any of them. Nice and peaceful. So yeah, I just thought I'd update you on the forest of dead trees that was in a previous video. I'm going to sit here for a bit longer, hoping that I get another bird, insect, dragonfly. If I do, you'll see it at the end. I think I've found the cleanest bit, so I'm just standing here listening and recording the water. And we're full of wildlife now. Right in the middle of the screen is a rabbit. Didn't see any of them yesterday. Seen loads of these butterflies. Different strengths in orange around the eye. I've just missed a little tiny blue one again.
having a little wash. A preen. Because she's going to be on the movies. She's going to be famous on YouTube. I think it's a young robin. I might be wrong. Oh, he's lost a feather.
I'll see you in the next one, and thank you very much for watching.